To buy partial stocks, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Once logged in, click on the trade option from the main screen. Then scroll down to find the stocks section. From this list, select the stock you want to purchase, noting that only certain stocks support partial purchases. After selecting your stock, click on the Add to Order button. Then click on the Select Stock button or use the menu at the bottom of the screen. Your order will be displayed, showing the selected stock, and you can proceed by clicking the Continue button. Next, choose the account you want to use for trading and enter the amount you want to invest. Review your selection. Then scroll down to optionally toggle on the reinvestment feature if desired. Finally, check the box at the bottom of the screen and click the Place Order button to complete the purchase, resulting in the acquisition of your partial stock.